Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. So if we have a student dictionary, we have all of the keys, name, age, and grade, and we have their respective values. We can print out the name of the student, and we can also change the age of the student as well. If we run all of this, boom, Alice, 63, and NA. So sets are just a collection of items that do not repeat. So if we have the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4, it's not going to have that second 4 anymore. It's just going to have the first 5 numbers. We can add and remove numbers from the set, and if we do so, we will have this result. Now, strings and tuples are not mutable, meaning they cannot be changed once they are created. So a string, if we have a string called Mary, we cannot change the M to become a B. You're just going to run into a type error like this. Same thing with tuples, which are a collection of immutable items. So if we have 1, 2, 1, 4, 5, we cannot make the number 2 turn into a 10 because you're going to have that same type error as well. And lastly, we're going to have user input. So if we want to get a name from the user, we can have it like this. What's your name? John. Now, if we want to print that out, we get boom, hello, John.